welcome to the Rotary Arena for High Impact Wrestling presents Tour to Rumble. Here for the first time in Dauphin ever in the promotion's history. Before the show gets going, just want to let you guys know they got some alcohol over there. If you guys want some beer, go check it out. Get some cool suds. And also make sure to hit up the merch stand for some official High Impact Wrestling gear. They got some DVDs, they got t-shirts, they got signed pictures, they got cool little balloon guys there. Probably good for kids. Check it out, good stuff over there. So just some rules before the show goes, just some safety tips for you guys, just to make sure the show is as entertaining as possible. Please don't touch the wrestlers, this is for your safety and theirs. Don't approach the ring, come into the ring. And of course, don't throw anything to the ring. You don't want to hurt anyone here in the show tonight. Special guest for the show this evening, a special guest referee, mind you, will be High Impact Wrestling legend, Kathy Cougar. And then, of course, we have a couple guests in the show this evening. Our first match is sponsored by Boulevard Hotel, Parkway Lanes, and Harrison Computers. Answer your problems to the ground. Introducing first, from Winnipeg, Manitoba, weighing in at 270 pounds, the Misfit, Mike Mission.
I don't need you clapping for me. I'm a champion where I come from. Shut up.
His opponent this evening, coming from his nest, weighing in at 178,000 feathers, Andy the Dreadful Bird.
big boy. Right. Okay. I see how we're doing things. It's all done.